This is Saturday, December 11th, I think. This is my new 5075E, and it came with the right side door bolted shut, and I don't like that. So I called John Deere to get all I wanted was the door handle. I'm thinking the box is going to be 6 inches square. The box is up here. It ain't 6 inches square. It's a big old box. And what come in the box was a new step and battery access cover, door handle of course, grab handle for this side, which is kind of useless because the things don't fit, 2 new hinges that I didn't need, interior grab handle, and the gas shock. And well, okay. 3 hours later, I got everything installed. You got to be real careful because you loosen that lower hinge, put this grab bar on, the door tries to move on you. Other than that, it's pretty cut and dry. Not a whole lot to it. Got it set just like the other side. Lightly close. It latches, shakes. Firmly close. It's closed. Locking door, of course. Seals are still sealing. Yeah, it was a solid 3-hour job. And the old battery box, they ground down a tab at the factory, battery box cover, and the step and new cover comes as a unit. No handles, of course. But anyway, couldn't get the thing to set right. Looked at the old one, found that tab had been ground off at the factory, ground off the tab on the new one. Functions just like it should. It's not a good door to get in and out of because of your loader controller that comes with all of them. Don't know why, but emergency exit. And then installed my John Deere spinner. Got to have that. Yeah, I don't know. And then bought some more stuff. There's a sprayer back here to replace the one just sold at auction. Don't get me started. Nice thing is, if you're buying agricultural equipment, there ain't no better time. I already told you about the discount on the new John Deere tractor. This is an end of the season discount, save $250. Bought a cone spreader to replace the cone spreader I sold at auction. The other one was a 500 pound. This is a 1,000 pound spreader. Got a heck of a deal on it. Brand spanking new. And had the 5203 out here, bucket down, lifting up the front of the tractor. I got on the thing this morning. The left side tilt cylinder was leaking. I said, what the hell? Cycled it a few times. Got the stuff out of the back of my truck. It's been sitting here for 3.5, 4 hours. Ain't dripping a drop. I don't know. But also picked up a 7-foot disc. This is made in Texas, not made in China. It's a Armstrong brand, serialized. It's got 20-inch discs on it. It weighs about, I believe, 1,250 pounds. I like that, made in Texas, and it is made in Texas. It's not imported and assembled. This is completely fabricated here. These discs probably come out of India. I don't think there's anybody in the United States to make the discs anymore. And it's the same thing. It's been sitting on 3-point elevated for 3.5, 4 hours now. And I've got no drift or drop on my 3-point on this 5203. So I'm real happy with that. This will save me having to build a counterweight to offset anything I pick up with the loader that's heavy. And plus I need the disc. I still got some more clearing work to do up there in the front. Get done with the dozer, go back with the disc, smooth it out, go back with the cone spreader, put out some seed, and sit back and watch the grass grow, and then get the mower out and mow it. So, bought some stuff. Told Gerda I'm about done buying. We should have everything we need plus. She's been out riding her four-wheeler today. We got about 2.5, 3 inches of rain yesterday. I had to park down at the front of the yard by the driveway when I was dragging that blue trailer over there. Tore my yard up something fierce there by the street. So I have to go back and fix it. And after I removed all the equipment, I regraded this area over here. And we got 3 little bitty tiny puddles, but now it's draining better. I ain't gonna walk off in there, it's mud, but at least it's draining better now. Used to have a big old pool there, but I got that taken care of. That's about all for this one. I like my disc. It's a good heavy duty one, and price was right, $2,100. That's replacing the house I sold at auction. It was only 5.5 foot. This is a solid 7 foot. But I got plenty of tractor to pull it with. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.